I just bought this new Suri toothbrush. It's an electric toothbrush and it comes with a self-cleaning case and a mirror mount as well as a charging cable. It is so chic. I love how slim it is. This is way less space than my last one. It's really lightweight. I love the fact that there's also a light in here that will clean the bristle heads while it's storing. Great for travel. And it's really lightweight. It looks beautiful. This is a mirror mount. It comes with an adhesive back and then it just snaps so you can have it on the wall or the mirror, wherever you need to put it. You could always put it on the wall as well, but just makes it super easy. And then you also do have a charging cable and a stand for when you are charging it. Look at how small this is. I love that. It's not going to take up so much space on your countertops and you can just grab it when you need it. Super excited. I got one for my husband to start and then I'm going to buy one for myself. They have some really cute colors too. I love the blue, white, green, and black. But I love this. I can't wait to get it for myself.